In primetime news this evening, BOJ slams banks for not increasing interest rates on savings accounts.
Mother of man listed as St. James' most wanted killed. His girlfriend shot and injured in brazen attack.
And attorney for Sagicor marketing executive maintains innocence amid fraud charges. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, it's a Wednesday, so we're talking about gas prices. They hit their lowest since December last year, and I'll give you the details later in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. We go down to Jeremy Brown. He'll tell us what's coming in sports. Jeremy?
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, the French supporters will be happy this evening. Vive la France! France are into the World Cup final, and the Olivier Shield champion was decided a short while ago. We'll tell you about those and more later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What is your reaction to the France versus Morocco semi-final match?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.